Welcome. If you're overwhelmed by constant Facebook friend activity notifications and just want a calmer, quieter feed, here's a simple, up-to-date way to turn them off. I'll walk you through the steps so you can customize what comes to your phone, email, and even text alerts without losing the connection to your friends. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's loaded, look at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This opens the menu with all of Facebook's options. It can be a little crowded, but everything you need is in here. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap that and then select Settings from the expanded list. You're now in the hub where Facebook folds in all sorts of controls for your account. In Settings, locate the Notifications section. It's usually near the top of the list, but you can also use the search bar if you're in a hurry. Tap Notifications to dive into the notification preferences. Inside Notifications, you'll see a row labeled Updates from Friends. This is where Facebook collects alerts about what your friends are posting, sharing, or reacting to. Tap Updates from Friends to adjust how you're alerted. You'll find options for different delivery methods here. Push notifications that appear on your phone, email notifications that land in your inbox, and SMS notifications if you've connected your number. To silence these, toggle off the switches for push, email, and SMS. If you want to keep a light touch, you can leave one or two on and switch the rest off, depending on how connected you want to stay with your friends' activity. If you ever want to fine-tune further, you can return to the same screen and customize other notification types like friend requests, comments, or messages. It's all about finding the right balance between staying in the loop and preserving your peace of mind. And that's it. With these quick taps, you'll reduce distractions while still enjoying Facebook on your terms. If you try it out, tell me how it changed your vibe on the app.